Oh yeah, two can play at this game. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, good girl. Bye. Bye bye. What do you think? What do you think about all this? Your tippies? Your tippies? Yeah, what do you see going on? I don't see out there. I see Mommy's car. You see Mommy's car? True, do you want to give Gwendolyn a kiss? You kiss this thing? Did you see?
Oh, cute.
Cute. That's a new thing.